per day.
190 to 166.
There's Apple's under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
Market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it. The movement in oil.
Hello guys and welcome to Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the Nasdaq100 futures chart. Just before I start today's video, anyone who's interested in receiving my personal trades and joining my Signal group, you can do so by visiting my website dailymarketmovements.com. I charge a very small joining fee of $29.99 and we've got some trades out. If I just go and show you, we've got about 9 trades out at this moment in time and 8 out of the 9 trades are currently in profit. So you do not want to miss it, guys, and it's still not too late to get involved. But let's have a look at the Nasdaq100. The Nasdaq100 continues to play into my hands here. I've been saying since last Thursday that I did fully anticipate a rollover here in the Nasdaq100 markets, and we're now challenging that 50-day EMA. So this is a very key area. If we can break below and get a daily close below it, then that really opens up a trapdoor to fall down towards the bottom of this uptrend that we've been trading in since the fresh lows that we achieved on the 15th of June. Now today we have some very big events happening. After the market close, we have Microsoft and Google, otherwise known as Alphabet, reporting earnings, and I'm anticipating it to be very challenging for both companies. Why? Well, I don't really want to get into too much depth into it all, but last week we saw Snapchat report their earnings, and they basically come out with numbers that suggested that their user growth was very strong. They grew as a company in terms of user growth, but unfortunately when it comes to revenue, they were flat, and this means that companies seem to be cutting back on spending on advertising, and of course that is going to heavily impact companies like Facebook and Google, which solely rely on advertising. So I think that Google could be tested significantly with regards to the challenges that Snapchat saw, and then with regards to Microsoft, which is if they do bad, it's going to have an even more impact here on the Nasdaq100 due to the Nasdaq100 is mostly a massive weightage of Apple and Microsoft due to their market caps. Microsoft have about half of their business that's in Europe, and Europe is entering into a recession, as we all know. And just to top it off as well, the euro-US dollar FX rate is shocking. €1 equals $1, and that's going to heavily impact Microsoft earnings as well. So I think that the outlook here is going to be very negative for Microsoft and many other tech names. We hear from Facebook on Wednesday, we hear from Apple on Thursday, and I think that the outlook is going to be what sends these stocks lower. I think that this quarter companies would have done okay. We're already starting to see signs of that, but we're also starting to see signs that companies are coming out saying the next 3 to 6 months is going to be very challenging. So the outlook is what I believe is going to let down the Nasdaq100, and I do believe we will fall down towards 11,750 first, then 11,500, and then within the next couple of weeks we will then slowly grind our way down towards fresh lows down at around 11,000. But that is an area where I'm wanting to buy this market, not up here. I think that this is just a bear market rally. We had a nice rally here from the bottom. I think we were up around, what was it, 15%, so a fantastic bear market rally, but now it's time to fade this rally and then buy the lows. So I'm a short-term seller here, medium to longer term buyer of the Nasdaq100.
500 million barrels per day.
190 to 166.
There's Apple's under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
Market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it. The movement in oil.